fucking private bike slash motor. Got the Avalon put together today. She ready now. Got the little chrome piece. Let's go right here. Just a little snap in. If you go back on my channels, well, go back in my videos, you'll see how this car was before, and I ain't have a time to get to it. But now she almost ready for the paint shop. I had to put brand new radiator, condenser, both fenders with a whole front cap and the lights and the grill. It was a Savage title rebuilt from Copart. I think I got it out of Copart with the whole front messed up for about $1,200. And I put like $500 or $600 into putting it together, and I did it myself. So it's really like almost, when I finish, it should be like about a $2,500 car. Well, $2,500 put together, and you can sell these cars from anywhere from probably like $4 or $5 grand. Some people get 6 with clean titles and stuff, but since I don't have the clean titles, I probably try to sell it for about $4,500 or something, just to make a quick little flip. But we be hustling. See if we get that first crank. Yep. Very clean. And she only got 101 miles on her. Nice little car. But yeah, that's that's how you take $2,500 and build your car from Copart, man. Like, don't take much. And this is a nice little car. Once I get it painted, I'll do another video, let you guys see it or whatnot. But y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be a big movement this year. Trying to get a lot of cars in and out and sell. Stay focused this year. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoy the content. I'm not a real YouTuber. Just trying some shit. Let y'all see my little work. How we hustling down here. Nothing major. Just keep a little money in your pocket. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment. Let me know if y'all want to see the videos when I'm actually doing the work, or y'all just like seeing the finished product. I'm out.